Hello guys, welcome to Random Norm. And in today's video, I'm going to be detecting my new permission, which is a field, a little small field actually, that consists of a cellar hole and a quad shell going right up that bank there. Now, I'm pretty sure there's stuff here. Right next to the cellar hole, because of course orange strips near cellar holes are quite common. Anyway, let's proceed on. I'm sure there's got to be coins here. So there's the cellar hole, people. Hey, look at its nest. Wonder what's in that. Glass. All right. Bottle cap. Well guys, I got another signal. Plug. I can see it. It's interesting. This is it. Broken bottle. And that berm around is what I'm detecting, I bet you. Oh yeah. Broken bottle top. Well, alright guys, I think I found my first coin out today on this new permission, and we'll say I got myself a Canadian penny dated in 1954. Not too shabby. Yeah, it is 1954. Yeah, it is 1954. Alright. Big. That's iron, I bet you. Up the hill I go. That's iron. Dang. So guys, I'm detecting the quad trail here going up the hill, and I got myself a signal. Let's see where's two. It's just so neat because it blow away. Let's see. There it is. Look at that. It's a mystery item. Interesting. Well guys, we're next to that quad trail. I think I just found something strange. Look at that. I wonder, is that a coin? Maybe mangled? Probably not. I'd wait and see, clean up a bit and see what it is. I bet it's a coin. The house appears to be too thin. But hey, you never know. Alright guys, again, we're next to the quad trail. Just found this right here. Not too sure what it says on it yet. Something Cuba. From Cuba. That's pretty interesting. Seems to be an interesting relic. Anyway, so far not doing too well with this spot. Never had no large cent. That's that 1954 Canadian penny. Anywho, I'm going to do both that quad trail again and hopefully I'll find something good. Well guys, around the quad trail here, I think I just found my another penny. Okay, there it is. Right here. Just a regular old Canadian penny. Nothing special. Well guys, today is definitely a relic kind of day. Not really finding much in terms of coins. Anyway, I just got another relic. So underneath this branch, I got a really loud salt tone, and that's what it is. Big old sinker. Yeah. Check that out. It's nice and heavy. Metal lead, see? Yeah, right next to that cellar wall. Well guys, I was detecting right alongside this wood pile where the fuel meets the gravel here. I just found this penny in that hole, and it appears to be a semi-modern Canadian penny. And unfortunately it's not going to focus for me because it's being done. Thanks. Well now, looks like I found another penny. And around the edge here. So we can extract that right in the hole. Hopefully it'll focus on this beauty, whatever it is. Hopefully it's a Newfoundland small cent, but nope, it is just a Canadian penny. Alright, what's that? Put this in the grass, shall we? It's too, right now this is too crispy. I'm ready to get day out. Okay, I see a day. It's like 1978 or 1976. Yeah. There's another penny. Ooh. Yeah. Check out that view, guys. Well, guys, I think that's it for today's hunt. That's better. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna head back home now and do a wrap up. All in all, not too bad. No silver, probably no Newfoundland coins. I had to go check. Found a few pennies, got pretty dirty. Check them, clean them, get an ID, and I'll show you guys in wrap up. So stay tuned. Well, guys, I am back home now. As you can probably tell. Alright, it's wrap up time. And here are today's finds. As you can see, there are 4 pennies. I don't know what it is. This is pretty interesting. Tobacco importer from Cuba. So I'm not 100% sure what this is. I don't know if it's like a cigar snub, or who knows. If you guys know in the comments, let me know. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty best find today. And you got this thing. Yeah, definitely a part of something, but I don't know what it is a part of. Then we got the massive, humongous lead weight. It's still dirty. I know I washed it, as you can probably tell. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And here are the pennies. Nothing really all that special. We got the oldest one is this one here. It's a 1951. Then we got 1954, 1976, and 1985. All Canadian pennies, no Newfoundland, no American, no British. But hey, a penny's a penny. And yeah, and that's pretty much it from today's hunt. Well guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon up there somewhere. And leave a comment down below because I like reading comments. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. So long and have a great day, everybody.